Hi everyone. So we'll discuss about how we're going to passing structure to function. So we're going to have a function. So for that function, we're going to pass the structure, nothing but blueprint values we will going to pass it. We will see that one. Let's take an example, something like student, and student will going to have an address like this. For that, I will want to create a structure. We know that keyword struct. Okay, struct. Again, I will going to say something like uh, student will going to have an address. We'll create a body for the structure. So just we created a body for the structure. Again, every address will going to have a name. Okay, just I will going to take something like this, something like a character, uh, village name, village name. Okay, so I'll give some 20 size for that particular array. Again, so it will going to have a pin number. So that's by character. So pin number I will say. Otherwise, you take whatever you want. Just I will take pin number. Just a name. So semicolon. That's it. Again, every village will have a district. So you can take that one or pin code. Like you can take whatever you want it. But I will take something like phone number, character, phone number. To contact that village, we'll have phone number, some number. So something like you can give it 15 semicolon. So this is our one structure for this particular address of that particular student. Now, every student will want to have a village name. Again, so instead of taking village, I can say that village name, so that I will going to make it here village name. That is better. So again, village pin. I will make it village pin. Village pin. Again, village phone number. Village phone number, like that. And so I will want to create one more structure here, saying that struct. So struct, you can see we have a IntelliSense here. Struct employee, uh, or you take just if that person is employed, or just I will take student here. That is better actually. Student. Again, create a body for this particular structure. Okay. Now, here the important thing is we have to understand every student is going to have a name. That's why character name of the student name. Again, here also put some size 20 like that. So it is left to you so much you wanted to give it. Again, so now its name again is village name and the pin number and phone number. I will go to take it. So now village phone, instead of saying village phone number, I will say student phone number. Student phone number, that's better. Okay, now it gives you error. Let's try. Now see, I wanted to access this structure from here to here. You can able to see this one. There is a structure from here to here. We have to access means basically I'm creating a structure. So this for this particular structure we have to create a variable here. That's why struct. A little bit slow I'm typing. Struct. So I will going to take something like address. Here I will going to say some variable. I will going to provide something like add address, like that. So this is the complete structure. Both the things you can able to see. So here you remove this and not it actually. Struct student is a one structure here, consists of another structure variable, that is add. So if you want it, you can take whatever you want. It's not a big deal. Or you take it as a caps here like that. It's also okay, no problem. Just address, you can take it like that also, no problem. If you want it here also, you can take it, whatever you want it. It is left to you guys. So then done. So these two structure, one structure is normal structure. This is actually another structure is one more structure. We have a normal structure, but I created this complete thing as a nested structure, bringing this structure variable over here. You can able to see A is a variable of that particular structure. So that now we created a nested structure. We know that in every function call we should have every function we should call, you should have a function call, function prototype, all those things. So that's why what I will going to do first, I will want to create one function. So saying that I want to display all the details of that particular employee. So that's why what I will going to do void. So just I will say display. So here I will want to create a function. So now the question is very simple. When you are creating a function, what are the parameters you're going to send to that particular function? That is very, very important. So that's why what I'm going to do. Anyway, we have a variable here. Okay. Anyway, we have a variable here. So you wanted to access this particular structure means first we have to access this one. After that, using this variable, we can able to access this particular structure. A dot village name, like that we can able to access it here. Again, for this also we have to create one variable. So that what I will going to do, I will going to create a variable here. Everybody observe me. Struct struct uh, so what is the student student. So let's say uh, yes. Okay, so let's say caps S. So this is a variable we have right now. So what I will going to do here, I will going to pass that variable, this variable, into the function, this function. Okay, I will want to pass that variable into this particular function. So that is the reason why what I will going to do. Basically, we know that struct, because it's a data type, we know that struct student something like this. So you can ask me, sir, so you are sending a variable, it's a great thing. But the thing is, you can able to see here one important thing. We are using some another variable. Here we have a variable that is caps S, but here we are sending small s. There is no difference. You can able to pass it, no problem. Nothing is going to happen. Now what I will going to do here, I will going to print all the details. Okay. So before that, so I created a function here. I will going to print all those things. But before that, what I will going to do, I will going to take the details of that particular student. So anyway, I created a variable. You can able to see. That's why what I will going to do, I will going to make it one input required here. So that's why I will going to give a message to user saying that please enter the student information. Enter the student information. Get a message. Now the important thing is here. So we have to take the input. How we going to take it? Use the scanf function. Okay, scanf function, you can able to use it here. Again, it's very important to take the input. So how we're going to take the input? That is very, very important. So basically, when you see this one, basically it will going to take the it's an array, so that I will going to use the format specifier. Here also percentage yes, here also percentage yes, here also percentage yes, here also percentage yes. Okay, everywhere I will go to use, because everywhere I utilize the array. So that's the reason why what I will do percentage yes. Okay, so percentage yes for employee name. Basically, we wanted to access this one. How to access all those things I will going to tell you. So that is the reason why what I will going to do here. Before giving all those format specifiers, I will going to tell you how to access. Yes dot, you can able to see here. Okay, yes dot name you have to provide. So caps s dot, so automatically you can able to see. So there is a name, so you can provide this one s dot name. Again, come on, again you wanted to access, please understand here, I'm able to access this particular one member of this particular student, but I wanted to access these also: village name, village pin, again student, phone number, all those things. How to access? So I'm able to access this one like that. Here also s dot a dot village name, like that you can able to access it. So that is the reason why. So what I will going to do here, okay. So I will going to make it. We have a variable already. We have a variable. You can able to see. So that is s is a variable we have. It's caps s actually. S dot again a dot. Okay. So dot we can able to take village address or whatever you want it like that. So I will take first village name here. Okay. Again comma. So everywhere you can able to provide address. Okay. So basically I will tell you when you are giving all the things you can able to see here. So when you are giving all the things over here, so if you want it, you can able to use the ampersand, but basically we are using array. That's why no need to take the ampersand here. Okay. So here. So but I mean, for that what I will go to do to make a difference here. So I will make it integer for this one so that you will understand when to use that one format specifier, all those things you can able to understand. I will make this one integer here. Now it's fine. Now we have taken the city. Okay, nothing but village name we have taken. Again, I have to take the pin number. But here, one thing you have to understand here, when you are using this one, yes name, I did percentage yes village name. This is also array. That's why here also you can able to place percentage yes. But now, see here, I have to access this one village pin. So that time you have to be very careful. Caps s dot a dot. Okay, now you can take the pin number. So when you are doing this one, so basically please try to use the ampersand here because it's a integer. So because it's an integer, that's the reason why you please use the ampersand. Okay, again comma here. So now finally you can take this one s dot again that's caps s actually. That's why don't forget all those things. S dot a dot. Okay, finally you take the phone number. That's it. Okay, so this is how you're going to take the inputs. So this is one way. Again, finally, what I will go to do, I will go to make a function call here. We know that in the functions, function call, function prototype, and the function uh, definition. Okay, user defined function, everything is important. So that's why what I will do. So anyway, we have created a function that is called it as display function. Just I will go to copy that one. I will go to paste it over here. Okay. Now see. So what I will going to do. Just I will going to pass the variable here. So what is that variable? That is s. Just I will pass this s over here. Caps s. Semicolon. So now I think everything is fine here. Okay, so we are having function call and we missed with function prototyping. We will do that also. So we will do that also, no problem. So what I will do outside the main function void. You know that here display. So this is just I will going to copy this. That is better, I think. So I will paste it. Now here you can able to see this is a function prototype. Okay, so put semicolon. That's it. Oh, done. It's everything is done now. So just you can no need to give a struct is enough. Okay, caps s is enough. Okay, this is enough, more than enough. Wait a minute. Data type is enough. I feel data type is enough. Okay. Now here, what I will going to do, whatever the things we have done here. Okay, finally I will going to print it. Just I will going to copy these two because it's required. That's fine. No need to write because when you know the logic, no need to just you have to modify. Here I will going to say student info. I will say the student information. Student information. Okay, here instead of doing this, okay, so that's it. So that is more than enough. Now we can able to run this program. Just verify whether it is working or not. I don't think so. So we have some error. Let's see this one. What is the error? So let me check the error. Just error says that very clearly you haven't mentioned the format specifier. Absolutely correct, we haven't mentioned. So that's why please mention, because we have taken one variable. So this is one variable. Again, this is one variable here. You can see this one. So complete, this is one variable, this is one variable. Totally 4 variables are there. Here also 4 variables. That's why here percentage D, again percentage yes. Okay. If you want it, you can able to write like this. Name is equal to like that. I will want to make it something like this. Caps name is equal to here I want to make slash n. Again, we have what is that village name. That is equal to again slash n into paste slash what we have village pin. So just I will want to press pin. Okay, pin that is I will press slash n so that it will give me output for us. Now we will want to run this one. Again we have error. Let me check it once. So what it is giving actually something. Go to the view and check out the logs here. So log says that S is undeclared. Okay, let's see this one. What is the problem here? So here it says that S is undeclared. Okay, you want int S here. Let me try this one actually. So when I do this, just a moment. This is what happens. Okay, I got it. So here, make it smallest because we given S is capital S. So here, let me check now. It's also yeah. The problem is we have passed the variable structure variable. So this one is that should be same. Whatever the things we're going to pass here. Suppose if I pass like this stu, so it should be same like that. So whatever the variable you can able to use it, but it should be same. That's what. So what I will do, I will going to change it here so that it will be helpful to us. So what I will do, I will take caps S here. So now we will going to run this one. I will see this. Now enter the student information. Wait a minute, I will make it something good. That's student information, right? Okay, so first one you can able to see. Now you can see that enter the student information. It's saying that. So first I will want to enter name here. Name something like Hari. Again, so what are the things you have to enter? Please understand here. So just you can able to understand here. Name first. After that, village name you give something like Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Again, pin number 62133 like that. Whatever. Again, student phone number you give it 123. Something like whatever you want it, you give it no problem. And now please enter. So you can see now. So village name is Bengaluru, pin number is this. Again, phone number you are getting. So everything is working fine. So the student information name is Ari. Everything is working fine. So I will make it a little bit better over here. What I will do, I will make it in next time. And now I will want to give the information, some good information. So first I will want to give you the name. So name is something Janu space. After that I will give village Mysore. Mysore. Again, village pin. I don't know actually. Something I will give. Something like that. Again, student phone number. So I will give something like this. Okay. So like that, I will give. Now you can see name is Janu, village name Mysore, pin number, and you are getting phone number, all these things. So it indicates that you can able to pass the function using this. Okay. So using structure, we can able to pass the function. You can able to follow this. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.